How to delete your Facebook Lite account. Hey guys, today I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to delete your Facebook account from Facebook Lite. First thing first, open up your Lite application and make sure to log into the account that you want to delete. From here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner and you'll be taken directly to the menu section. Scroll down a bit until you find Settings and Privacy, tap on the drop down and go to Settings. Once your settings is open, right on top of it, you'll find your account center. Just head over there. Once your account center is open, what you're going to have to do next is scroll down until you find personal details. And right below that, you'll have your information and permissions. So from here, what you're going to have to do is find your account ownership and control. You can find it right under this option called accounts. And here you'll find account ownership and control. Tap on it, go to deactivation or deletion, choose your Facebook account from your account center. So if you just want to temporarily deactivate your account, choose the first one, or if you want to permanently delete your account, choose the second option. Now tap on continue. You will be asked to enter your password as well, and you should know all of the pages connected to your account will also be deleted. Tap on continue, select a reason, tap on continue again. Now just go ahead and click on continue to enter your password and your account will be permanently deleted. That's pretty much it guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.